Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Imagine a flavorful, healthy dinner on your table in under 20 minutes. This quick and easy recipe for shrimp and broccoli is exactly that. It's packed with vibrant flavors and essential nutrients, making it perfect for those busy weeknights when you still want something satisfying. You'll be amazed at how simple it is to prepare, transforming simple ingredients into a delicious meal everyone will love. Get ready to add a new favorite to your dinner rotation. For this simple yet satisfying dish, you'll need just a few fresh items. Grab about a pound of medium to large shrimp, peeled and deveined. Make sure they're completely thawed if frozen. Then, get a head of fresh broccoli, washed thoroughly and cut into small, bite-sized florets. A couple of cloves of garlic, some olive oil, and a touch of soy sauce or lemon juice will complete our ingredient list. Proper preparation ensures quick cooking. The secret to amazing shrimp and broccoli starts with the broccoli itself. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat with a tablespoon of olive oil. Add your broccoli florets and sauté for about 3 to 4 minutes until they start to turn bright green. Then, add a quarter cup of water, cover the skillet, and let it steam for another 2 to 3 minutes. This technique ensures your broccoli is tender crisp, never mushy, and still vibrant. Now it's time for the star of our dish, the shrimp. Once your broccoli is perfectly cooked, push it to one side of the skillet. Add a little more olive oil to the empty space, then toss in your peeled shrimp and minced garlic. Sauté the shrimp for just 1 to 2 minutes per side. They cook quickly, turning pink and opaque when done. Overcooked shrimp become rubbery, so be sure to remove them from the heat promptly. To bring all these wonderful flavors together, toss your cooked shrimp and broccoli. Now, it is time to add a final touch. A drizzle of soy sauce or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice works beautifully. You can also sprinkle a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. Serve this vibrant and satisfying dish immediately over a bed of fluffy rice, quinoa, or even by itself. Enjoy your healthy, homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.